Good day. Please take a second to go and like and subscribe to this channel. We would like to make more detailed videos like this, but we need some subscribers to make it worth our while, because we need to do our work during the day as well. If you are in a rush to get these protocols sooner, click on the link below to take it. It'll take you to our website where you can become a member to have access to hundreds of protocols and information to programming procedures and keys. You will learn about ECU programming, coding, and all the rest of it. Enjoy your day. Cheers!
Okay, so we're sitting with a fuck up here with a 2022 should be the same Hyundai Venue. So the problem at the moment, there's no Xhorse XT27B transponders available, so we can generate a 8A7939 transponder. So what we can do is we can program a transponder to the Xhorse supermodel and program that to the car, but Xhorse don't have an option for a remote. KD does have an option for a remote for this vehicle, and I managed to program it, but you can't fit two PC boards into a key, so without a loose chip it's not possible. So the fuck up is you have to buy a original key. So Xhorse, make some work and get us this software. Appreciate it. If KD has it, Xhorse can get it. Thanks, bro. Cheers.